I'm Lucia and I'm the Cabinet Member for Health, Social Care and Wellbeing, and we're here today at the Wingfield Centre and we're having a carers workshop about the carers strategy. We're thinking about how we can develop services that will support carers, people who we know often struggle and often are under-supported and often feel very undervalued. So in Haringey, we've got a real clear focus which comes from the feedback that you all as residents have given us and also from our CQC improvement feedback and journey. So we're here today and we'll be listening to carers and they're telling us what they think they'd like to see with the services. But also the rest of the week we've got a couple more workshops in the east and west of the borough and we've also got one online. So why not join a session or give us feedback on the commonplace. But whichever you do, we really want to hear your voice. We're really wanting to co-produce the services that we have for carers and their loved ones in the borough. Thanks very much. Look forward to hearing from you.